There you go.
Hi, my name is Savannah.
Oh, yeah?
Brother, you late, brother.
How old are you?
3.
3? Yeah. Do you go to church? Yes?
My brother, how are you?
That's good. And what's your name?
Anthony.
What is it?
Anthony.
Anthony. I love that name. How old are you?
7.
6?
No, 7.
7? Yeah, that's very good. You go to school? You like going to school?
Yes.
Good, I'm proud of you. And who are you?
My name is Dolores.
You the mother?
I'm the aunt and the mother of her.
Oh, the mother of her?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, how about that? How about that? What about you, sir? Who are you?
I'm Deshaun Hayes from Norfolk, Virginia.
Oh, yeah. And these are your daughters?
My daughters.
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Macasia.
Yeah? And what's
Your
your
name?
name? Oh, yeah. How old are you?
7.
All right. How old are you?
8.
You know God love you?
Thank you very much.
All right. God bless you.
God bless you all.
All right.
God bless you. You can't come out for the resurrection. Okay. I'm sorry about that, brother. Could I have
Hey, sir.